I can't wait to try this on my eyes. Would you like a review? Please comment to let me know. Always cute packaging from boxes to the product itself. Such a cute palette. Upon first touching the shadows, so soft. Even the glitters. We can't expect Western standards on Korean makeup, especially eyeshadows. They value build-up and sheerness, while we value pigment. Yet most of these have pretty good pigment payoff. This palette will probably be my small palette neutral go-to when on the go or traveling. Am I getting better at this clock app thing? IDK. I'm more comfortable with Instagram and YouTube.